Woo-wee. We're on a stealthbomber, guys, that we're actually test driving and looking to buy. Nice and squishy like a surron and quiet like an onyx. Love it. We're looking to purchase this from this guy in San Dimas. It's a black and red stealth bomber. QS 8K watt motor, 72 volt, 40 amp with Sabaton controller. Looking nice. I think it's a little flat, but we're test driving it for sure. It's supposed to top at 70 miles per hour, but right now we're running kilometers on this speedometer, so we're gonna go ahead and test its limits. Yeah, this thing kicks. Love it. There's some things I need to change, like modify it, like maybe add some lights, because currently there's no lights. But I just love how squishy this bike is. Some rotors need adjustments, but I think it's a little flat too. Yeah, my tire's a little flat. Michael! I'm gonna stop a little bit. Yeah, I'm running a flat. But that's what she is. Michael will come back for me. This is currently his bike, but I'm gonna buy it from him. We're testing it out. Looks like it's a 19 rear motor, custom red wheels, C&N stealth bomber bike. But that's the bike so far, guys. D&M Volcano shocks, D&M rear shocks. Really squishy for sure. I got a flat. I hope he turns back. I have a flat in the back.
Oh, with flat?
Yeah, I don't want to push it, ruin the wheel.
Put the air in it. Oh shit, man. Yeah, get some air in there.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to ride this one? I'll ride that one back.
Sure. Alright, riding the Onyx here. Alright, back in action. This is nice. Showing me around San Dimas area. Testing this bike. Wow, I've never known this part. This is lovely. Maybe a little bit of off-roading. Ooh, muddy. Alright, we're getting wet. Just a little bit here. Heck yeah. I love all kinds of bikes. Pump some air in the rear, and we're back in action here. I'm a poet, and I didn't even know it. These are nice places. No fenders in the rear. But we're giving her a go. Oh, I've always wanted to own an ATV when I was younger. Just never had the money to do it. But ever since like these e-bike world started booming, it's so much better than ATV in my opinion, because one, it's electric, and then two, it's just more portable for sure. Okay, we're going up some terrain here for sure. Oh no, I feel muddy in the back. Oh my gosh, I got mud up my bottom for sure. I felt it. Oh, this guy loves the off-road. Oh yeah, we're digging in. Let's go bike. Let's go bike. We are sliding out. I don't think he has dirt tires here. Ooh, we're sinking in. I feel like your tires have more grip.
Yeah,
Because
the whole thing's just made more for, and you can get a more aggressive
yeah, off-road.
grip, off-road grip.
Yeah.
One step. It's helping me with this so I don't, tip over just low center of gravity.
Yeah.
That thing will just frickin' rip up anything. You rip up the side of this mountain right here.
Yeah.
I've gone.
I don't want to burn any controller or motor.
Will now. That's why I bought everything big, because I did a torque arm and I did a cotter pin through it. So at least if it dumped out on the other side for any reason, you feel it hit the cotter pin, you come to a stop.
Yeah. I see how close the brakes.
Really close. That
Yeah.
was from the front. Yeah,
All
I'm
right.
not sure if this one regens. You can do more riding over there.
I wish I could. I did more testing, but I have work. Yeah. At 12. But I mean, it checks out. I think I like it,
A few moments later.
All right, folks. This is now officially in my collection. So I ended up purchasing it yesterday and got a pretty good deal on it. Again, it's the 8K watt stealthbomber e-bike frame and also like a 150 amp Sabaton setup. And man, does this thing fly. Stay tuned for more content. I'm definitely tweaking some things in already as we speak. I appreciate your support. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more adventures on this bike. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on your Super73 arielrider DIY bafang kit. This is E-Bike Adventures signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.